Hello everyone. Today's topic is exothermic reactions and endothermic reactions. Endothermic reactions are chemical reactions in which the reactants absorb heat energy from the surroundings to form products. These reactions lower the temperature of their surrounding area, thereby creating a cool effect. So, endothermic reaction. Endo means inside, and therm means heat. So, in this reaction, what happened? Heat is going in, heat is taken in, and a product is formed. So, when heat is taken in any reaction, then that reaction is called endothermic reaction. And these reactions lower the temperature of the surrounding. Now, how they are lowering the temperature? Because the heat from the surroundings, they are going in, they are taken in. So definitely when the heat is all absorbed in, then what will happen? The surroundings temperature will be decreased, thereby creating a cool effect. So because of this, cool effect will be there, it will be created. Now here are some of the examples of endothermic reactions. Evaporation of water, heat is taken in. Baking bread, frying eggs, and photosynthesis. Here also heat is absorbed in or taken in by the plants so that they can prepare their food. Next is exothermic reactions. They transfer energy to the surroundings and the temperature of surroundings increases. Now what happened in exothermic reaction? Exo means out, therm is heat. So heat is given out. It is transferring the heat energy in surrounding. It is going out in the surrounding, and because of this the temperature increased. The temperature of the surrounding increased. You can see here all the heat is going out when we burn anything. So heat is going out, it is given out, and the surrounding is hotter because of this. Now these are the examples of exothermic reactions. Formation of snow, burning candle, burning wood, and gas burner in use. So all these examples are the reactions of exothermic reactions. These are the examples of exothermic reactions, and what is happening in this? Heat is given out in the surrounding. Thank you.